Tonight, in a Gulf Coast News investigation, a public adjuster is accused of taking insurance money from a woman he was hired to help after Hurricane Ian.
Now, more people are coming forward saying he stole from them, too. Gulf Coast News investigator Evan Dean explains what you need to do before you sign a contract.
After Hurricane Ian barreled through the Gulf Coast in 2022, Carla Dickey was among the hundreds of thousands who filed insurance claims for storm damage.
I felt like that I was not going to get the money I deserved to fix my house properly.
So she hired Francisco Chaparro of All Elements Public Adjusters to help, agreeing to pay him 10% of her claim payout.
I already had too much stress on my plate.
And you thought this could help relieve that stress?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it did, at first. She got some insurance money to replace the roof on her Lehigh Acres home and money to buy supplies to fix her floor. After that, she was told Chaparro was fighting for more money, that they were in litigation with the insurance company. But months went by without any major updates, and last summer, Carla was stunned to discover Chaparro had been arrested, charged with 3 felonies, after state investigators say he failed to forward another homeowner more than $100,000 he received from her insurance company. The victim, a 68-year-old widow.
You just don't do this to somebody. You don't steal from people like this.
The arrest prompted Carla to contact her insurance company and get copies of all the checks they'd paid out for her claim. She says the last 2, worth more than $30,000, she never received.
What's going through your head?
Betrayal. I don't need the money for my personal self. I need the money to fix my house.
Carla filed a report with the Florida Department of Financial Services, which is leading the investigation into Chaparro. A spokesperson for them told us additional victims, primarily from Florida's West Coast, have come forward after his arrest and said their investigation is open and ongoing.
When people have these losses, they're reaching for anything. And so the first person that reaches out to say, I can help you, is generally what people will gravitate towards, but it's not necessarily always there truly to help them.
Insurance agent Jeff East is not involved in Carla's case, but shared advice for homeowners thinking about hiring a public adjuster.
It is going to cost money. It could delay the process a little bit. I would say give the insurance company a chance. You can always go back and get an adjuster.
And of course, make sure your adjuster is licensed and reputable. There are good ones out there who can and will help, but you need to make sure you have one.
There are always going to be adjusters that come in during major storms simply because we don't have the manpower to handle claims in a timely manner. That being said, as quick as they come in, they can leave just as quickly.
Carla is sharing her story in hopes this doesn't happen to someone else. Still today, the flooring she bought sits in her living room, yet to be installed, as she waits for money that may never come.
I feel like I'm never going to get my house fixed. That's what I feel like. I'm never going to get my house fixed. And I don't want anybody to have to ever go through that. No.
We reached out to Chaparro and his attorney to ask about the other victims that have come forward to state investigators beyond the one in the criminal case. They sent us a statement saying we have no reason to believe any charges are forthcoming. The Florida Department of Financial Services has not presented us with any evidence of these allegations against Mr. Chaparro. We will vigorously defend our client, and I am convinced the public will be swayed by the evidence that will be presented. He's pleaded not guilty to those charges against him. We have more advice from the state about hiring an adjuster. That is in the Gulf Coast News app.